Programang ito ay rated SPG. Striktong patnubay at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan. Maaaring may masiselang tema, lengguwahe, karahasan, sexual, horror o droga na hindi angkop sa mga bata.
Welcome to STI ChitChat. Be future ready, be STI.
Good day, STIers. I'm Jeanette Trinidad, your Piritera host.
That's right, because the boy with the cold hard cash is always Mr. Right. Because we are living in a material world, and I am a material girl, you know.
Host.
And I'm Jesse Paino, your gangster in STI.
At ako naman ang inyong daming sir, Mac Angelo Gideon Lozarito.
Today we're gonna talk about the 3D technology.
Before we introduce our special guest for today, so Jeanette, what is 3D technology for you?
Thank you for that wonderful question. 3D technology are technologies which utilize 3D visual appearance and create real-life or different virtual experiences. Such experiences range from overlap of technology to completely immersive reality devices.
Okay, thank you, Jeanette.
So, it's time to introduce our special guest for today,
She is beautiful and smart.
most behaved in STI.
It is our great pleasure to see her face for the first time. It is our great pleasure to hear her voice and to see her for the first time. Please help me welcome via videotaping Miss Jana Marie Amitina.
Thank you, STI ChitChat, for the opportunity. Actually, I'm a little bit nervous because it is my first time to expose my beauty in public. So before I start to share some knowledge about the 3D technology, allow me to introduce myself. So good morning everyone, magandang buhay. I'm Jana Marie M. Medina, 21 years old, and I love to share my knowledge to other people. I'm glad for being your special guest for today. So let's start. What is 3D technology? In computer systems, 3D technology or three-dimensional explains a photograph which gives visual information. The individual is called augmented reality whenever 3D images are made dynamic so that the participant feels engaged with the setting. In order to view and communicate with 3D images, you generally need to have a specific plug-in reader for your internet browser. Augmented reality perceptions may also require extra equipment. 3D photo development can be considered as a part of the multi-phase process of tessellating geometry and compressing. Models of specific items are created during the first step using connected statements, which are decided to make into a set of discrete rectangles or tiles. The polygons are converted in different ways, and lighting effects are added in the next step. The evolved substantially are delivered in the third phase of 3D modeling to particles with really intricate detail. Famous 3D effect development products involve Soft Image 3D, Ray Dream Studio, Extreme 3D, Lightwave 3D, Max 3D Studio, and Visual Reality. The Virtual Reality Modeling Language or VRML enables the developer to use textual regular expression to define images as well as the guidelines for their presentation and communication. And let's talk about the advantages of 3D technology. Each architectural design started with a design model. This is a basic resource that allows architects, stakeholders, and the general public to imagine the dream of the design by the architect. Yet it's a long, difficult process from the schematics to actual versions. Creating a design, accurate and measured design model requires a lot of disciplined time. If complex shapes are concerned, the job becomes much more complicated. 3D printing will make the process easier. This can make extremely accurate physical structures centered on a CAD model from the variety of methods and colors. This is an easy method that helps the architects to quickly and accurately bring out the models. This also offers investors and consumers a clear understanding about the looks of the final house. And when they want some improvements, they can propose any and to see them easily in fresh 3D printed design. This keeps costs down as opposed to preparing until near completion of a building before finding it requires some adjustments. 3D printing can switch out designs in no matter of weeks and no matter of sophistication. And that will be all about the 3D printing. And I hope you guys gain some knowledge about 3D technology, and thank you for listening.
Thank you, Miss Jana, for that. So, Angela, based on what Miss Jana shared about the 3D technology, why it is important in our lives?
Okay, it is because the closer we get to 3D, the less visible the same between technology and the real world, and more immersive and experience. So, while it's true that we're attracted to novelty, in a way, 3D is more traditional because it more accurately reflects our everyday experience of interacting with the world.
Okay, Jesse, I have a question for you. How 3D printers making a positive impact in our society?
There are industrial level 3D printers that make printing construction materials a reality. Some scholars report a global housing crisis in the near future. But 3D printing can provide shelter and safety for all kinds of people who are at risk. Thank you, STIers, for watching STI ChitChat. See you for next week. Bye-bye.